let's get you another election update from the state of Tamil Nadu, where the BJP Tamil Nadu chief L. Murugan has hit out at Stalin's 10-year vision document for Battleground State, referring to the 7 promises, including the provision of concrete houses and piped water supply. He said that similar schemes were already being implemented by the central government. Listen in.
All of vision copied from BJP, copied from central government. What the 7 points, the 7 documents he released, already executed. He told that already smart cities, all 11 smart cities executed. Work is going. So he is copied. Already we are giving Prime Minister Awas Yojana. And toilets, almost 1 crore toilets we constructed and we gave to the people. And cylinder, our Ujjwala Yojana implemented. Whatever the Stalin told, already we implemented. Then he told Kudimakkal Anivarkum Kureyad Tannir, Jal Jeevan Mission. See how Stalin is trying to cheat is the right word. I don't want to tell that. Okay, cheat the people. He is trying to cheat the people. So already central government is Jal Jeevan Mission. We are implementing this scheme. Already 20 lakhs beneficiaries they got the this scheme. Another we have target 1 crore. So that also we are implementing. Then Mahsul Perkam, he told that double income to the farmers. That only we did. The farmer bill. He opposing the farmer bill. He protested. He called for the Bandh. So now he is changing his stand. So this all are drama.
All right, let's go across to Apurva now, who's joining us live this morning. Good morning to you, Apurva. Well, we have already talked about how the Makkal Nidhi Mayam chief Kamal Haasan has already raised his reservations with what MK Stalin's vision document is all about. And the BJP is already saying that all of these schemes have already been implemented by the centre. So what's the point now of MK Stalin raising the same points again in his vision document?
Well, it will be interesting to see what will be the comeback that MK Stalin, the DMK chief, will be giving in response to these statements. In fact, yesterday, Kamal Haasan, right after the meeting, when questioned about these allegations, that his vision board is the same. His vision board was something that Stalin had taken references from. Kamal Haasan has said, why are you saying, I am allegedly saying, you are the people who have to tell them that it is very clear to see that these mission board plans that MK Stalin has taken up are from my poll list, is what he had said. And we are also seeing L. Murugan, the BJP state president, also saying the similar thing, saying that MK Stalin, from the 10-point vision board that he has taken ideas. L. Murugan is also saying that he had taken these ideas from the schemes that have been introduced by the centre. Definitely both BJP as well as Makkal Nidhi Mayam are talking not only about Stalin implementing ideas, taking ideas from their vision board for 2021 Legislative Assembly elections, but they are also saying that not only has he taken these ideas, but he is also going around telling people. In fact, Kamal Haasan has also said that I don't mind if anybody else takes my ideas and shares it, but people will know that I was the first one to introduce such ideas in the vision board for the people as well. So it is okay for me if people want to share take the good from my ideas, but they will always remember that it is my party that had first opined about such ideas and such schemes, is what he had also said.
But Apurva, what is the similarities that is now being cited? Because we've already talked about, especially when it comes to basic amenities that should be provided to the people, these are the similar promises that are made by all political parties during election time.
Well, we are seeing a set of similarities between Makkal Nidhi Mayam's manifesto that they had already announced and MK Stalin's as well. With the Makkal Nidhi Mayam chief Kamal Haasan stating that he was only a political party to announce the monthly allowance for housewives, homemakers, and that is something that he had only announced. In fact, yesterday at a press conference he had also said that I am the only party that has announced such an allowance scheme. In fact, I also had got a call from my dear friend Shashi Tharoor as well, saying the same. He says this allowance scheme that I had brought, that is something that
right
we
after
had
the
started.
Mayam, it is now the BJP in the state of Tamil Nadu which is taking on MK Stalin's vision document for the coming 10 years in the saying there are several similarities in the schemes that are already being implemented by the central government. So why it is being copied by MK Stalin's DMK in the upcoming elections? Those questions continue to be raised. Apurva, thanks very much. Get us a reaction from the DMK side from the same story as we continue to put forth more election news that is now coming in. Let's talk about the adjoining state of Kerala.